Hello, I'm John Ross with PhD, coming to you from the PACK Expo 2019. They asked me to go over a couple of our customized solutions, what we call an unlimited product. So I thought I would focus on just a few today. Number one is what we refer to as a variable pick head. This particular one, it has 3 belts in it, driving 7 independent cylinders. And what this allows you to do is actually pick up product and drop off at different pitches. Example may be where I'm picking up at 2mm centers and dropping at 6mm or 8 or 10mm centers back and forth. Actually, you can see that the base, how this operates back and forth there. And then you actually have independent cylinders with fine adjustments on it. This is something that we've done for quite some time, and really what it comes down to is just understanding what the limitations are from a standpoint of strokes that you need both in a Z-axis and a vertical. We do this often at PhD. Now, in the scenario where you would only need a fixed position and it would not vary, so in other words, it'd always go 2mm to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, then what we do is we have a handful of other options that are just straight pneumatic, so it don't need to be an electrical package like the variable pick head. We have this, it's already designed up at PhD, and if you just contact your rep, they can obviously get this rolling for you. The other thing I wanted to focus on that we see more and more these days in the package world is high speed, and where we're creating combinational packages that would have a pneumatic slide with a valve, a MAC valve, integrated directly onto our unit. Okay, so I'll show you a couple different technologies. This particular one is basically a standard PhD slide, and what we do is build one plate and we put 2 MAC bullet valves in there. What this allows is really fast speed. So if I'm trying to do like 2,000 bottles a minute going by and being able to kick off individually, you can do that. Just a couple different versions of that. One of the things we've always tried to do is stay with standard componentry. So we're taking standard product from PhD, a standard product from MAC, one transition plate in between the two to basically hit those bottles, okay? And so that shows you a couple different variations. This one is more of a customized unit, and this came from a competitive unit that we had to drop in for. So you see a little bit different shape here, but once again, taking that PhD slide technology with the MAC valve technology and putting that together. In the case where you would want to contact PhD, reach out to our website, which is www.phdinc.com, or you can call any MDN distributor local to your territory. If you go to our site, obviously we have those distributors on there, so you can go put your zip code in, it'll lead you directly to your local source.